How to create glass effect in Affinity by Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So this video will be very short. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so first just open your Affinity and insert your image in pixel mode only. Okay, now go to the shape, this sidebar, and take your desired shape. So just take this circle round shape and just draw your shapes. You can draw multiple shapes. Once you draw shapes, click on this arrow. Okay, now here we need to, here in the layer you need to select that our original image. We have two layers now. This is background, original image, and this is the shape. Okay, so first select your image here, and you need to create the duplicate. Okay, you just hit the control plus J, select your original image, hit the control plus J, and the duplicate will be open. Now just click that duplicate one and drag at the top. Okay, make sure this circle at middle. Okay, now hit the control key and just drag this image into this shape. Okay, now you need to hit the alt key. Okay, you have to hit alt key, hold it and drag here. Okay, now you can make it is click on this visibility, just make invisible. Now just expand these shapes by clicking this arrow, click this background which we insert here. Okay, now go to the pixel, go to the filters, go to the blur and choose this Gaussian. Now we need to decrease the radius like this. Okay, so now this the you can see. Okay, after you done, just apply, and now this is our sorry click on this that shapes and just drag where you want. You can also minimize, maximize the size. Okay, you need to keep at same place because the blur effect will be need to in same place. Like we are on click keyboard, so make sure it's perfectly suit. Don't move it. Okay, you need to first manage your place. Okay, then the blur effect has been done. You can see. So this is glass effect. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.